Today I am with the new topic that is business study. In today's class, let us discuss about that the business study, the first lesson, banking transaction. Banks are developed about the 100 years ago. In the sense, the banking concept is not new to the Indians, not only the Indians, for the foreigners also. But it's a banking concept is not new to this century because of the banks are developed 100 years ago. Then we can see that the banks are very essential for the development of the country, and banks are financial institution. It's related to the financial transaction. Right? The bank is the financial institution. So bank is it is related to the financial transaction. Bank is very necessary for the every country. Is it? Yes, here we can see that the bank deposit the amount and it withdraw the amount to the people who need. In the sense, the bank deposit the amount who want to save and it withdraw the amount to the people who need the money. Is it? So, in the sense, who make the deposit, that person only possible to withdraw the amount. Okay. So, likewise, it lend the loans to the people who need. Okay, so this is one of the service oriented and profit oriented also. So bank is the financial institution. Only the financial transaction we can see in the bank. And banks are very essential. We are seeing likewise it deposit the amount money and it withdraw the money in the form of checks and drafts. Okay, then bank gives the advance for the agriculture, industry, trade and many other purpose. Understand? So it is a very essential for the development of the country. So many more economic history is explaining likewise which country have the efficient banking system. That country is called developed country. In a sense, the banking system is very essential for the development of the country and economic growth of the country. Is it? In today's class, let us discuss about that. What is the meaning of bank? Okay, and what are the functions of bank? What are the characteristics of the bank? And many more things we can learn in this lesson. Yes, already we know that the word bank. What is bank? Is it? The word bank, how it is derived? Is it? Let us discuss about likewise the bank. The word bank is derived from the Italian word. What is the Italian word? Banco. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco. And another one also here seeing likewise it is derived from the French word. What is? It is derived from the French word banco. It is derived from the French word banco and it is derived from the Italian word banco. What is the meaning of bank? Is it? So spelling is different but pronunciation is same. So the word bank is derived from the Italian word, what is banco, but here the French word banco. Both the meaning is money exchanging table. What is the meaning of the bank is money exchanging table. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco and French word banco. The bank means what? Money exchanging table is called the bank. Yes, bank is a financial institution and the main intention of the bank is exchanging, in the sense financial transaction. Is it? So it deposit the amount who want to save and it withdraw the amount to the people who deposit the amount when they need. Okay, and it is also lend the loan to the people. Okay, what it is? The bank gives the loan to the people. It lend the loans to the people. Okay, then afterwards we can see that it connects the link between the borrower who need the loan and also the depositor also. Okay, then the banks are the very essential and it returns the money to the peoples or public through the cash or check or from the drafts. Okay, so this is the work of the bank. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco and French word banco. The both meaning is same. What it is? Money exchanging table. Okay, then how can we identify the bank? Okay, how can we identify the bank? What are the characteristics of bank? When we identify anything, likewise the pencil is it is in the different color, lead is there, we can write on the page. Is this a different characteristics are there for the pencil? Then the bank is also have its own characteristics. So when we understood the characteristics, afterwards it is possible to understand what are the function, what are the importance of the bank and many more things. Let us move for the next topic, the characteristics of the bank. So what are the characteristics? The bank have the more characteristics. On that, first one is the dealing with money. Is it? The bank is dealing with the money. Yes, when we heard the word bank, yes, we thought likewise it is the dealing money. It is a financial institution. We can see the financial transaction in the bank. What is? We can see the financial transaction in the bank. So here the no more tablets are given in the bank. It's possible to give any tablets in the bank? Is it giving enough tablets? No. Here they are giving what? They transact the money only. Otherwise they are not selling any fishes. Is it? It is not a vegetable market. Here we can see the bank transact the money only. Is it? The bank transact the money. It is a financial institution. It only deals with the money. Okay. So this is the characteristics of the bank. Is it? When we heard the word hospital, what we can think likewise? Injections, doctor is there, treatment giving, stethoscope is there. Is it? So likewise we are getting in our mind. Similarly, when we heard the word bank, so it means it is dealing with money. It is a financial institution. Is it? Yes. The second one is the individual, frame or company. Is it? In the sense, if the individual or a company or a frame, 2 to 4 members, the more than 15 members, in the sense below 20 members, togetherly they transact the amount, is also called the bank. Okay. It is the individual. If a person is transacting the amount, money, is called the bank. Frame are togetherly, collectively the 10 members or 9 members, 5 members, collectively they are transacting the money, is called the bank. Or it is the company. Okay, it is not where the money is transacting, that is called the bank. If it is the individual or a friend or a company. Understand this? Yes, then next is the acceptance of the deposit. Yes, already we know that what is the meaning of bank. Bank is accept the money. In the sense, they accept the deposits who need to save, who want to save that. Is it? Similarly, it accept the deposit. Afterwards, it withdraw the amount the person whenever he want the money return. Is it? Then afterwards, it accept the deposit and it returns so when it is need to the customer. Is it? So it accept the deposit and it return the amount to the person. Then lending loans. Is it? The bank is provide the loans to the people. Already we know that the banks are providing the loans for the agriculture, industries, trade and other purpose. But here we can see that it provides the loan to the industry, agriculture, house construction. Is it? And individual loans. Likewise, it provides the loans. Through that, it is possible to make the economic enhance for the development of the country. Is it? So it lends the loans. It provides the loans. One thing you should remember that you should get the account in which bank. That bank only provide the loans to you. Otherwise, you should open the account on that bank according to the what is rules and regulations of that company or that bank. So they should provide the loan. It is impossible to get the loan by any bank. Is it? In freely, in the sense we should open the account first. Okay, then this is the primary. Otherwise, it is not giving the simply. We should provide the some more documents for that. Is it? How can we complete our loan? So we should provide the some more documents for that. Then it lends the loan for the agriculture, industry, construction of house, and for the vehicle loans and personal loans, banks should be provided. Then afterwards, payment and withdrawal. Yes, we can make the payment and also the withdrawal. Nowadays, the bank is expand its function. Is it? We can pay them amount to the banking like the electricity, afterwards then phone bills, recharge, is it? Afterwards our ration bills, otherwise our tax. So we can make the payment to the bank and also we can withdraw our amount when we need. Then afterwards agency and utility services. The bank is provide the agency services and also the utility services also. Then next is the profit and service orientation. Is why bank is working likewise. What is the use of the bank? Why it gets the deposit and why it provides the what is withdrawal amount to the people? Why it lends the loan? Is it? So at before there is an intention is there for getting the profit. Afterwards, the main intention of the bank is it is a service motto. It provides some service to its consumer. Okay, then afterwards the profit and service orientation and ever increasing function. Is the banks are developed about 100 years ago, is it? But on the day the bank function and structure is changed, but nowadays it is the change. So according to the time, it change its features and also the its nature and it expands its function. It provides the more service to its consumer. Then connecting link. Yes, it connects the link. It gets the deposits. Afterwards, it gives the loans to the other person. Is it? So, through that, it connects the borrowers and also the depositors. Okay. For example, I am a depositor. I deposit the 1 lakh rupee in a bank. But if you want the loan, you have the account on that bank, you want the loan, the bank will give my amount to you for 50,000 loan you want. It will give the 50,000 amount to you. In a sense, my amount I want to deposit in the bank for what purpose? For safety purpose, for saving purpose. Is it? It is not need to me for present days. Is it? For the future I need that. So that amount it gives to you as a loan. Okay. After through the interest it gets back and it gives interest to me and it gets some profit to bank. Is it? It takes some profit to the banks. In the sense it connect with the first party to third party. It is the mediator. Okay, it connects the link between the depositor and borrowers. So it connects the link. Then afterwards, banking business. Already we know that bank means what? Financial institution. Is it a financial transaction? We can see deposit, it accepts the deposit and it returns the withdrawals. Then afterwards it lends the loans to the people. Is it? So this is the banking business. And name identity. Final one is the name identity. We can see that every bank have its own name with the bank. Is it? For example, what it is? Canara Bank. Is it? State Bank of Mysuru, State Bank of Hyderabad. Is it? State Bank of Ahmedabad, Bio Bank, in the sense Bank of India. So likewise, Karnataka Bank, it have its own personal name. Is that it have the personal name. Likewise, the Priya is the one of the financial institution. Afterwards, we get that Priya Bank. What is? In a sense, the bank, it is the identity. The bank, this word is the identity for the every bank, every financial institution. So, we can see that here, what is every bank have its own name with the identity of the bank. Okay, these are all characteristics of the banks. Yes, when you understand these all characteristics, it is possible to explain about what are the functions of the bank. In next class, we must discuss about that. What are the functions of the bank? And what are the relationship of the banks and what are the services lent by the banks. In more things in next class we discuss about that.